The question 4 is again similar to the question 3. It is to find the limits of trigonometric functions. Here you can see we have been asked to find the limit of x times cotangent x, where the limit approaches 0. Since again it's in multiple choice part, I'm going to do it in the shortcut method. All you need to know is how to type this cotangent. X is just alpha x. And what about this cotangent? Multiply it with 1 by tan. You know tangent, right? Tan theta. Sorry, it's not shift, just tan. Okay. 1 divided by tan will be cotangent. That's the reciprocal identity. And then over here, just calculate it at 0.001 and we get 0.999 and calculate it at minus 0.0001 and here also it's 1. So answer would be 1. You have to just choose the correct answer. You can see over here, if you do it in approximations, you're coming very close to 0.99. It's very close to 1. So we just approximate it to be 1. That is the end of question 4. Another very easy topic. Please do solve all the limit problems using calculator for the multiple choice part.